Hey gang, so it's Black Friday. Yay. I hope none of you guys went out shopping and all that madness and got hurt or anything. But anyway, I'm working today and I'm taking a little bit of a break because I'm fixing some stuff and I got a little frustrated. So I thought, what the heck? Let's go look at some toys. And I thought, it's been a long time since I've updated this display case, which just sits in my office. Now, you guys have seen this before, but there are some new additions to it for sure. And so for those of you who maybe have just joined the channel recently and haven't gone back through the back catalog of videos, let's just take a look at some of these. So here's kind of my big bud shelf. So there's my 740. That 740 Stealth, or whatever you call it, that's my favorite big bud tractor. The wheels and tires are incredible on it. And Scratch built that V-Ripper to go behind it, kind of a stealth V-Ripper. And then you can see there's the regular version, and then we've got a 747, we've got some of the 525s back there, there's a 440, and there's the other 740, and another 740. One of those is a chaser unit that I just got lucky and got, so that was cool. And then here's my big plow that Jeff Norden built for my 747. And then I made another one of those V-Rippers, pull type, for that 740 there. Moving on to this shelf, we've got just a bone stock 620 Steiger. We've got a chaser, quad track here, red chrome. We've just got a regular camo Smart Tracks. That is a John Deere disc ripper from Circle C Farm Toys. It's one of their kits. It's a really cool kit. Unfortunately, after I got it put together, I don't really have a use for it. So, I don't know, I guess it's just going to sit here for now because I got quite a bit of money wrapped up into that, and I doubt anybody wants it for the price that I need to get out of it. So, it's really cool, though. Then we got some beet equipment built by Gordy Schultz. And then we've got also some potato equipment, also built by Gordy. That is a custom New Holland. I just love the wheel and tire combo on that puppy. Here is my pumpkin harvester, scratch built, and then I used a John Deere authentic tractor for that. There's a CD Models disc ripper. Those are getting hard to find. How about a couple America Freedom tractors, Spirit of 76s there. Those are cool. There's a custom Case IH I did. Got a New Holland FX. That is from Scratchcast. Cat Lexion, that's the one that my good friend Dale Dieselhorst, who's unfortunately no longer with us, that's the one he customized for me. We got a little New Holland action here. Then we've got the bone stock Lexion there. In the back is a windrower, but it's hard to see, and I'm not going to move everything to see it. Then we've got a couple, this is a Gordy Schultz seed corn harvester, and then back there's a 2-scale fab seed corn harvester, so that's pretty neat. And there is another chaser quad track. That's the chrome chaser, and that is on the Bordeaux seed cart. That is, folks, right there, one of the rarest 1/64th tractors you will ever find. Got lucky on that one and found it. Just a custom field cultivator. Honestly, I needed to probably just get rid of that sucker. A couple Steiger pamphlets, because I love Steiger. And then we got a couple other kind of big tractor 4-wheel drives here, Challenger and Wright Earthquake. CD Models 510 disc ripper, that thing's cool as heck. And then both of these Kuhn Kraus outfits I scratch built. And then here we've got kind of a New Holland Case IH, and then we're kind of into the AGCO combine portion of my collection. All right. Moving over here, we'll start at the bottom. So there's the John Deere anniversary set in all of its glory in 1/64 scale. I probably need to rearrange that shelf a little better, right? And we got a cotton picker. That is a authentic S690 head that didn't have the auger when I got it out of the box. Boo. Those are some really early 4-wheel drives that I customized there. So they're not the best workmanship in the world, but, I keep them to kind of remind me how far I've come. Pulling tractor shelf, plus a little AC action there. And we got a Landau 2325 scratch built ripper. Couple Fords. And then we got some more AGCO product down here. Of course, we got the grain carts back there. Popping up here. So bone stock, versatile, except for I painted the exhaust on it. I think I'll probably put my detail kit on that thing. I might swap out tires too. We'll see. A couple combine trailers. Hope to have some use for those in the near future. Big Roy there. 1150, 1150 Chaser, 1150 Chaser, 1150 Chaser. And then it just struck me. How'd I end up with two of those dual 1150 Chasers? Huh. Interesting. Anyway. That is the set, the Lowboy and Quad Track set that Deere brought out not too long ago, Deere and Ertl. And now here we've got our muscle tractor shelf. You can see all my mini mows. Okay, that one's not a muscle tractor. And then we're into the Oliver muscle tractors. And then we're into some serious muscle with those big Challengers there. Couple farm show tractors, an authentic, another authentic. This guy, I don't know why he fell. Yeah, there we go. He's like a 1/32 scale V-Ripper. And we've got a John Deere anniversary set, authentic 7088, and a Massey Murica combine, Freedom combine. So, all right, guys. That's kind of another quick look at that shelf. Like I said, there's some updates, and some of you guys have been asking to see another video on that. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting. Treat each other well. I'll catch you later.